I'm happy to announce and inform that based on some of the suggestions that have come to us from our representatives from Jaiñtia Hills, especially our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Sneha Balangdhar, and the other representatives and the cabinet ministers and the public at large, the cabinet today has decided to amend the Meghalaya state anthem, and we are happy to include few lines in Pnar in the state anthem. So this will be unveiled in the state Meghalaya Games, which will be held in Jaiñtia in Jaiñtia Hills, and we'll be playing it on that particular day.